I'm here today to say that I'll be helping the UDA party in ensuring that your two major goals of retaining the seat come 2027, and also the other goal of ensuring that we register as many people as possible in the UDA comes a reality. And for the avoidance of doubt, we are going to be very, very peaceful. I know that the other camp, they are very good in certain aspects. Matusi mingi, fitina mingi, midomo mingi, but we are not going to derail from our major focus. Our focus is the socio-economic development of our people in a very, very peaceful environment. There's wacha wa escalate hiyo maneno ya matusi na propaganda na kadhalika, Your Excellency, but don't be derailed. What you have embarked on is a very, very noble thing.